gosh, y'all, I'm in here in the kitchen today with one of my favorite people, Cheryl Day from Back in the Day Bakery here in Savannah.
We are gonna make a Dulce de Leche pie.
Yes, we are.
And it is so simple.
Yum, I can't wait to try it.
This is a Dulce de Leche pie.
Okay.
But so sweetened condensed milk.
Uh-huh.
Back in the day, my mother, she would go in the cupboard and take, you know, like one of these and dip a spoon in it. This is what my grandmother told me. And so she'd go to make a pie and one can would be missing. And so she said to my mom's name was Janie Queen.
Janie Queen.
Janie Queen. She said, Janie Queen, where is that can of sweetened condensed milk? I'm just gonna cover it.
Okay.
Well, she caught my mother stealing it. And my grandmother said she was gonna take her to jail because she was stealing. And she grabbed her by the hand, Paula, and literally took her up the steps of the jail, and my mom thought she was gonna get arrested. And she said
That traumatized your mama.
Her whole life. She said, I don't like condensed milk anymore, and that's why.
All right, now what are you gonna do with that? Why are you putting it in that container?
I just put the 2 cans. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil. And then we're gonna put it back here on the stove in a water bath.
Okay.
You could grab actually your roasting pan.
Okay. And we're just gonna sit that in
Yeah,
there
just
and pour the
Exactly.
hot water around it.
Exactly. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven,
Okay.
425, for about an hour to an hour and a half or so, and stir it occasionally, lift this up. Actually, you know what, Paula, you know what would be better? If you do it like that. Then that way when you go in there to stir it.
If you didn't have that water bath, there's a good chance it would scorch it.
Exactly. So we'll
All right, so what temperature are we putting this on, Cheryl?
425.
425, that's kind of hot.
It is hot. So it's gonna be like a caramelized milk when it's done.
Okay.
It's gonna be really brown.
It'll turn a beautiful, beautiful brown.
And that's what makes it a Dulce de Leche pie.
Yay. All right, now you've got some butter in here. Do you want me to melt that?
Well, you are the expert at making these pies, so I want
No, honey, I've never made this kind of pie.
Well, no, but doing the crust, the graham cracker crust, I know.
Yes, so you want me to melt that butter.
Yes, melt the butter.
We've got our graham crackers. We're going to use probably 2 cups.
See?
Two
and you
cups.
probably can tell me this better than me.
No.
And how much brown sugar?
Oh, I don't know. I would say about 1/4 cup.
So then we've just got a stick of butter in here, melting down. That's perfect.
So 350?
350, 6-8 minutes. Yep. And in we go. Meanwhile, why don't we make the topping?
Okay.
Paul, all I do is fresh whipped cream. It's just heavy cream. If you could put like about 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar.
Okay. Yes, and I'm gonna step back.
You know what? Actually, I like to start a little lower on my whipped cream.
And that's exactly the way I do it. And then, when I'm ready to rock and roll, I'll do that.
Okay,
so it won't get all over my clothes.
Rocking and rolling.
Doesn't make for exciting TV, but it sure does keep me clean. There is nothing tastier than caramelized sweetened condensed milk. Nothing like it.
Sometimes, Paula, I'll put a little of that really good sea salt on top when I'm putting it in the oven. So it's almost like a salted caramel. Dulce de leche. So here we are.
Dulce de leche.
So all you do is you pour it in there.
All right, now we're gonna be able to slice that.
You know what? We're gonna eat it like this now, but you can also chill it down.
Okay.
So, but Paula, it's that easy. So yeah, you can chill it down and then you can cut it, but honey, it's gonna be good just like this. Let's slice some bananas. This is our healthy component. This is and this is perfect. But just, you know, pile it on top. You don't have to do anything fancy. This is like a homespun dessert. And then, Paula, you want to grate the chocolate? I think that's good. I think.
Now, you know when we cut this, it's going to go everywhere.
It is, but you know, it's all good.
Oh my gosh, y'all. This is one of those things you need to eat alone, Cheryl.
Oh, in a closed room.
In a closed room.
Look at that. Yum.
We're going to have to tilt
Next time, we're going to have to chill it.
We're going to have to tilt that up in the refrigerator kind of like that.
But it's all good. It looks homemade. It is
I got the bigger piece, Cheryl.
That's okay.
Okay.
There's still more pie. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Paula, this has been so fun.
Cheryl.
All right.
I always had the best time with you, honey.
I always have the best time with you, too. Oh, so good.
Cheryl, I can't be with you much, honey.
But you know, here's the thing. We don't have to eat this whole slice of pie. We're just gonna have a little taste.
Okay.
Put it down.
I've got to walk away, Cheryl.
Okay.
But you're not supposed to leave a messy plate.
We're walking away.
Cheryl's an evil woman, y'all.
I want that whole No. Just a bite.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.